Hello, wonderful friends. As August ushers in those golden late summer days, often with a gentle breeze, doesn't it make you dream a little about where your ideal daily life truly takes root? For many of us, especially as we embrace our golden years, August is a time of reflection. Think about a life that's rich in comfort, conveniences, and connection right in your own peaceful haven. It's about finding that sweet spot where relaxation meets engagement without the hustle and bustle. And that's where the heart of Central Delaware, areas like Dover, Milford, Smyrna, and Middletown, truly shines. Imagine an August where your biggest decision is whether to enjoy a quiet morning walk through a beautifully maintained park, explore a local historical landmark, or perhaps join a new class at one of our welcoming senior centers. These communities are known for their friendly atmosphere and strong sense of belonging. Here in Central Delaware, August offers a unique blend of established charm and modern convenience for retirees. You'll find communities designed for low-maintenance living, often with fantastic amenities like clubhouses, fitness centers, and social activities right at your doorstep. From the cultural offerings and state capital conveniences of Dover to the quaint river town feel of Milford and the growing family-friendly vibe of Smyrna and Middletown, there's a perfect place for every dream. We often hear from folks that they're thinking about what's next, how to find a home that perfectly aligns with their evolving lifestyle, or simply exploring options that offer more ease, more connection, and more time for what truly matters. Our approach isn't about rushing decisions, but about helping you discover what's possible in a place that truly feels like home. If you've been dreaming about a retirement that offers a vibrant community, peaceful surroundings, and convenient access to everything you need, we'd love to share some insights about Central Delaware. No pressure at all, just a friendly conversation about your aspirations for your next beautiful chapter. Wishing you a truly wonderful August, filled with all the joys of your ideal life. We're here when you're ready to explore. Take care. Until next one. Talk to you later.